All right, aloha guys. David Tatera here with CryptoTutorials.org. Today I am going to give you a 99-second review of the Blocto ecosystem. I'm going to talk about the token. I'm going to talk about all the other developments on the blockchain that they have going, the wallet, everything new coming out. So if you're thinking about Blocto and this is a token on your mind, or you're looking for something new that might be worth investing in down the road, take a quick listen, all right? Click the like, smash the subscribe, let me know you like this kind of short, quick videos, and let's get started. Warning, I am not a financial advisor, and this is not investment advice. Seek a professional. Before we jump in, I do want to tell you about one quick thing. We are offering the normally $97 airdrop masterclass totally free. All you got to do is go to getmyfreecrypto.com. Blocto is a new token and wallet which are designed to help onboard new people to the world of blockchain easily. One of the things that drew me to this project right away is that Blocto is the only and first mobile wallet that supports Flow. If you don't know, right now Flow is what NBA Top Shot, MotoGP Ignition are run on. And NBA Top Shot, that's the NFT that are coming out from the NBA for video moments. Already raised over $200 million. So big project, really good for Blocto's token. Very, very little, 2% of the supply is going out in a public sale. Almost everything is being done through private sales, through founders, through people that are going to have their tokens mining, things that are going to have it locked up for a period of time. So it's very unlikely that you're going to get into a situation of a big pump and dump when you do get a chance to invest in this. The investment portion should come later this year. They're not open for public sale just yet. Right now, they're still doing some bounties and airdrops, but I'm going to do a more detailed review of the wallet, the ecosystem, and everything about it here coming up. So if you're interested, keep an eye out. All right, thank you so much, guys.